Hey everybody, Hope Savara here with Mother Trucker Yoga. It's Wellness Wednesday, the evening edition, which means today was just really busy. So this is when I'm coming to you live. I want to show you a really easy stretch that can help at the end of the day, so that's convenient. And it just includes you doing a whole lot of nothing, laying on your sleeper, laying at home in your bed. It's not going to work on the floor because you need there to be some space between you and what you're laying on. So this is all about helping combat that tightness between the shoulder blades. And a lot of people think about this backwards. So they're feeling what they think is pain or tightness in the upper back, and really it's strain. Those muscles are pulled wide and overstretched. You're sitting like this all day, and the front of your body, pecs, deltoids, chest, underarm is all tight and short. So we want to open that up, and that's going to alleviate the pain in your upper back rather than vice versa. So here's a really easy stretch that you can do laying down, and it's going to feel really good. So first things first, you just have to lay down. So pretty easy. You're going to lay back, and then once you're laying back, get towards the edge of the bed. And once you're towards the edge of the bed, you're going to take your arm that would be essentially hanging off, and you're going to hang it straight off. Not down here, because you're going to lose the stretch. So if it makes more sense, just kind of like you're making a snow angel, open up your arm until you feel a nice opening. Now that might be in the underarm. This might be in the shoulder. You might feel that stretch all the way down to your fingertips. You may temporarily have some numbness and tingling if that's really restricted for you. And you're going to hold that for a minute. If you want a little bit longer, you can kind of play with where your arm is. I can go down, I can go up. If I had more space than what my nightstand is here, I could go a little bit higher. I could pop over here, let's see. There we go. And I can find where I'm feeling that release the most, and I'm just going to hold that. I'm just going to hold that and relax and breathe. Try to relax my shoulders and neck. Notice how I'm not on a pillow. Okay, I'm laying flat, and I'm just going to hold that. If I flex my palm when I'm doing that, I'm going to increase the stretch a little bit more versus if I let my hand relax. Both are okay. It's totally your choice. Then when you're done and you feel like, okay, I've called uncle, time out, you're going to flip over. You're obviously not going to be able to do it with the other arm because you're at the back of your cab. You're going to flip over and do the same thing on the opposite side. Now, if you're like me, I have one side that just kind of is a little bit tighter always than the other side. Hold that side a little bit longer. Notice the difference between one side and the other because those things matter and make a difference, and then see if that helps the next day afterwards if you're sitting a little bit more upright, if you notice a little bit less pain in your upper mid back, and most importantly, you feel more open, which is going to just help you feel better all over. So let me know what you think. I'm going to grab the camera from my amazing handyman here, and we'll flip you around. I'll answer questions if you have any. Thank you much. All right, let's do that. Let's see. So let me know what you think. If you've tried this exercise and you felt like it was helpful and effective, come back and show me some love on the video. If you're doing it right now, which is like bonus to you, and let me know what you think. But this is a great way if you're getting that pain between the shoulder blades. Hey, Rebecca, if you're getting that strain through the chest and neck, sometimes too, if you have pain, tension through the back of the neck, this can be a really great stretch for you to try. And literally all you need to do is lay down. That's all you have to do. And you're going to open up through the chest and start to relieve some of that pain between the shoulder blades. Hey, Robert. Hey, Rebecca. Hey, Jeff. Where are you guys tuning in from? Where are you tonight? It is cold here right now. For most of you know, I live in southeastern Wisconsin, and it is really cold. So maybe a nice thing to do on a cold night is just lay in your bed and do an easy chest and shoulder stretch so that you can feel a little bit better tomorrow. I missed it. Well, you can watch it on the replay, Rebecca, but definitely if you have shoulder issues, if you have that pain in the upper back, this is going to be an awesome stretch for you to do. I would totally re-show you right now, but I actually had someone holding the camera for me so you could see it. So you guys can watch that replay and check that out afterwards. You're still at home. I know, Robert. I'm so sorry. When are you going back on the road? Do you have an ETA for getting out of Dodge? Alabama, Rebecca, is it cold there, snowy there? It's just like crazy weather we're having. But let me know, drop it in the comment section, what you would love to see more of. What stretch, what move, what exercise. Last week I was traveling, and where I was staying has horrible internet, And so that really hard for me to do any type of Facebook Live, which I was really sad about. So let me know what you want to hear the 18th. Woohoo! So you're getting there. I'm excited for you. Let me know what you would like to see, what you'd like to have happen, and I will bring that magic to you. All right, guys. Talk to you soon. Have a good night.